In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair an Apple Watch from your iPhone. Unpairing an Apple Watch from your iPhone and Apple ID is an important and required step before you sell, trade in, or give away your watch. When you unpair an Apple Watch, it will wipe the data from your watch by factory resetting and then unlinking it from your iPhone and Apple ID so someone else can link it to theirs. There is a difference here between doing a reset on your Apple Watch itself versus doing it on an iPhone. Because of this, you need to do the unpairing process on an iPhone using the Watch app. To unpair and reset your Apple Watch, start by opening the Watch app. If you can't find it on your home screen, just swipe down on any app icon to bring up the search bar and then type Watch. If you automatically go to the Watch home screen, select all watches on the top left of the screen. You'll then see a list of the Apple Watches connected to your iPhone and Apple ID. Find the watch that you want to unpair and then select the gold eye icon to the right. Inside of this menu, choose Unpair Apple Watch. On the pop-up window, select Unpair Apple Watch. If you have a watch that has a cellular plan, you'll be prompted if you would like to keep the cellular plan attached to the watch or remove it. Removing it does not cancel your cellular plan though, only removing it from this particular watch. If you want to cancel your watch's cellular plan, you'll have to contact your cellular provider. After that, you should be prompted to put in your Apple ID and password. Enter that to start the unpairing process. Keep the watch and the iPhone close to each other during the unpairing. It might take a while, but once finished, your Apple Watch will reboot and be ready to pair to someone else's iPhone and account. If you're having an issue unpairing your watch from your iPhone using the Watch app, you can also try to reset and erase on the watch itself and then log into your iCloud account on the web browser and remove the device from there. It's a little bit more of a process, but works if the first option didn't. Start on your watch by selecting the crown on the right. Inside of the menu here, scroll down and then choose Settings. Next, select General. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Reset. Choose that. Tap Erase all content and settings, and if prompted, enter your password or passcode. Again, if you have a cellular plan, choose whether or not to keep it attached to this watch. When ready, at the bottom, choose either Erase All or Erase All and Keep Plan. It will then erase and factory reset your watch. Once it's done resetting, and this is super important, make sure you power your watch off completely by holding the bottom right button until you get the power screen. Slide the power off to turn the watch off. Now on your desktop, open a web browser and head to iCloud.com and log into your account using your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll have to confirm that to get to your iCloud account. Once logged in, select Find iPhone from the menu. Select all devices on the top of the page, and then find and choose your Apple Watch. Again, this is super important. Make sure your Apple Watch is powered off. If not, you won't be able to do this next step. Again, select all devices on the top, and this time next to your Apple Watch, you'll see an X. Choose that to remove your watch from your account. Follow through the removal steps and you'll be all set. And that's how you unpair, reset, and remove an Apple Watch from your iPhone and Apple ID.